This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for December 3rd, 2025. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was down 0.83 points or 0.2% to 418.93. Total trade volume was up with over 131,635 shares changing hands at a total value of 791 million real or over $198,000. On the main board, 5 stocks were up. Leading the market was Sihanoukville Autonomous Port, up 0.96% or 120 real to 12,640 real per share, followed by Royal Group Phnom Penh SCZ, which rose 0.48% or 10 real to 2,090 real per share. Other stocks also up were Akleda Bank, Phnom Penh Autonomous Port, and Grand Twins International. On the other hand, 3 stocks were down. The biggest loser of the day was Pestech Cambodia, down 1.07% or 30 real to 2,780 real per share, followed by Cam GSM, which dropped 0.79% or 20 real to 2,500 real per share. Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority was also down 20 real to 6,280 real per share. Over on the growth board, D Engineering was up 0.93% or 20 real to 2,160 real per share, while JS Land dropped 1.13% or 30 real to 2,630 real per share. Akleda Bank recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 92,007 shares changing hands at a total value of 670 million real or over $167,000, approximately 70% of the total trade volume on Wednesday. MJQ Education recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with 15,679 shares changing hands at a total value of $7,800, about 12% of the total trade volume on December 3rd. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD weakened slightly to 4,010 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was slightly down to 99.15. Looking at global commodities, oil prices rose on Wednesday, reversing earlier losses, as investors believe Russia-Ukraine peace talks are unlikely to lead to the removal of sanctions on Russian crude, though gains were limited by concerns about an overall supply surplus. Brent crude gained 26 cents or 0.4% to $62.71 US dollars, while US West Texas Intermediate rose 29 cents or 0.53% to $58.95 US dollars. Both contracts fell more than 1% in the previous session. Gold prices held steady as traders awaited key U.S. economic indicators to gauge the U.S. Federal Reserve's policy direction, while silver pulled back from a new record high. Spot gold was steady at $4,207.60 US dollars per ounce after falling more than 1% in the previous session. U.S. gold futures for December delivery were up 0.4% at $4,237.90 US dollars per ounce. U.S. stock futures leaned higher on Wednesday, poised to maintain momentum on a modest rebound, with jobs data on deck to help set interest rate expectations ahead of the U.S. Federal Reserve policy meeting. As of the time of the Cambodian market's closing, Dow Jones Industrial Average futures edged up 0.2%, while those on the S&P 500 nudged 0.1% higher. Contracts on the tech-heavy Nasdaq 100 floated just above the flat line. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for December 3rd.